which dance authority are you afraid of?
Oh my gosh, parang honestly lahat sila. Lahat sila. Kasi, of course, si Ate Marian yan. Tapos si Coach Jay yan. Ang taas ng standards din nila. Tsaka si... Hi, ATM!
I'm Caitlin.
I'm Shanti.
I'm Aaliyah.
Sa celebrity, wow! Feeling ko si Kuya Paul Salas. Kuya! Si Paul Salas po feeling ko. Kasi ako rin naman, I mean, mayroon naman akong dance background, pero hindi ko naman din kasi, talent yun. So, yeah. Final duo, parang ang hirap pa mag-decide ngayon kasi wala pa akong, hindi ko pa sila nakasamang mag-perform pa. I think, makakapag-decide ako at malalaman ko kung sino yung best fit na kaduo once na naging kaduo ko na sila later.
I have to agree with Shanti. Parang ang hirap talaga pumili ngayon kasi you have to really see how everybody's work ethic. It's not just talent, diba? Work ethic plays a big part.
Tsaka yung chemistry din when you dance together.
Tama.
Mahalaga din yun.
But I'm excited to see who it ends up being.
Oh. Oh my gosh, parang honestly lahat sila. Lahat sila. Kasi, of course, si Ate Marian yan. Tapos si Coach Jay yan. Ang taas ng standards din nila. Tsaka si Kuya Raver din. So, lahat sila, na talaga parang meron na silang na-establish sa dance world. I'm excited. I'm looking forward sa kung ano yung magiging comment nila sa akin later on. Kasi, I really want to grow. Kaya, I'm just really excited and... Ayun, hindi ko alam lahat talaga. Sorry para sa akin.
My message for you, Shans. Parang debu.
Asan na yung 18 candles?
Yes! My message for you, Shans, is that I'm really so excited for you and for this journey that you're about to go on. Kasi alam ko na ang galing mo sumayaw. You're such a good dancer. Yeah. Ano talaga nito? Ay,
Grabe,
totoo
talaga.
So I'm really rooting for you.
Thank you.
I'm excited to see everybody that you're gonna dance with, pero ikaw talaga yung bias ko dito.
Aww, bias!
I'm so excited.
Thank you.
For me, I'm excited for you to grow as well during this journey. And yeah, I agree, you're a really good dancer. So I can't wait!
We'll see. Okay. Thank you, ATM!
And watch out for Shanti on Stars on the Floor!